Hello friends, today we will configure and verify a site-to-site IPsec VPN using CLI in Packet Tracer. Let's start. For configuring and verifying a site-to-site IPsec VPN, I have taken this particular scenario. This is .pka file, and this is addressing table for this particular scenario. So first step to configure this VPN is to verify or test connectivity from PC A to PC C. So first we will ping from PC A to PC C. See, this is a PC A, this is PC C, this is PC B, and these are connected through these three different routers R1, R2 and R3. For checking connectivity, first we will click on this PC A, click on this desktop tab, then click on command prompt, and here we have to give ping command and IP address of PCC. So that is ping 192.168.3.3. This is IP address of PCC, and press enter, and see here we have started to receive a reply. Now we will close this window and now we will click on R1. The next step is to enable the security technology package. For this, when we click on this R1, this new window will open. Here in this we have to click on this CLI tab and press enter here. It will ask for the password. So password for console line is cisco CONPA55. So password is CISCO CONPA55. Press enter. Cisco CONPA55. Now here on this we have to give command show version. Sorry. So this show version command is to view security technology package license information. If security technology package has not been enabled, then we have to enable it. Here you can see we have received this output. It means this is already enabled. If it is not enabled in your PC, you write this following command, which I'm going to write here. If it is not enabled, in my case it is already enabled. So here the command to enable that, we have to give this command. We have to bring in the R1 into config mode. For that we have to give enable command. Sorry, this my PC is giving some error. So we have to give enable command and it will ask for the password. Password is cisco ENPA55. Now we have to give here config command, and now it will ask whether we want to configure using terminal, memory or network. So right here terminal. Now our system is in configuration mode. So here if your security technology package license is not enabled, then you have to give this command. The command is license boot module C190 technology hyphen package security K9. So we have to give this command, and after that it will ask for the license terms and condition acceptance. So type yes. Okay, and after that save the running configuration and reload the router to enable the security license. And again, after reloading, verify that security technology package has been enabled by giving the show version command again. In my case, it is already enabled. That's why I'm not reloading and saving the configuration and reloading this. The next step is to identify interesting traffic on R1. We have to configure ACL 110 to identify the traffic from LAN on R1 to the LAN on R3 as interesting traffic. This interesting traffic will trigger the IPsec VPN to implement when there is a traffic between R1 to R3 LANs. All other traffic source from the LANs will not be encrypted. Because of this implicitly deny all, there is no need to configure a deny IP any statement. So the command to identify the traffic from R1 to R3 as interesting traffic is access hyphen list 110 space permit space IP 192.168.1.0, then mask of this LAN 0.0.0.255. This is a source to destination, that is 192.168.3.0, and mask of this 0.0.0.255, and press enter. Okay. The next step is to configure IKE phase 1. We have to configure crypto ISA KMP policy 10 properties on R1 along with the shared crypto key VPN PA55. For this, the commands are: first command we have to give crypto space ISA KMP space policy space 10, press enter. Then we will give next command, that is encryption AES 256. Then next command is for authentication pre hyphen share, press enter. Then group 5, and now we will exit from this. So exit. Okay, now we'll create crypto key, crypto ISA KMP key is VPN PA55, and address is 10.2.2.2. Now we'll proceed to the next step. So in the next step, we will configure the IKE phase 2 IPsec policy on R1. So we will create the transform set VPN set to use ESP AES and ESP SHA HMAC. So the command is crypto map, sorry, crypto IPsec transform hyphen set VPN hyphen set ESP hyphen AES, ESP, sorry. So this is complete command. We'll press enter. The next step is to create the crypto map, VPN map that binds all of the phase 2 parameters together. We will use sequence number 10 and identify it as an IPsec ISA KMP map. So command is crypto map VPN hyphen map 10 IPsec hyphen ISA KMP. Press enter. The next command is description VPN connection to R3. Press enter. Now we'll set peer 10.2.2.2. Press enter. Now next command is set transform hyphen set VPN hyphen set and then match address 110. Exit. The next step is to configure the crypto map on the outgoing interface. We have to bind VPN map crypto map to outgoing serial interface. So command is interface S0/0/0. Press enter. Crypto map VPN hyphen map and press enter. Now we will configure IPsec parameter on R3. So we will close this R1 and click on R3. Click on CLI tab and here press enter. It will ask for the password. So password is cisco CONPA 55. Okay. Now here on R3 we have to enable the security technology package. So first we will check whether it is enabled or not. So the command for checking is show version. If it is not enabled, then we have to enable it using the steps which I explained while configuring this on R1. It is already enabled. You can see here. So we will not configure it. It's already enabled. As you can see here, the description. So security technology package is already enabled on R3. Now we will configure router R3 to support a site-to-site VPN with R1. For this, we have to configure some parameters on R3. So we will configure ACL 110, identifying the traffic from LAN on R3 to the LAN on R1 as interesting. So first we have to bring this R3 in configuration mode. So for that, we'll give command enable. Now it will ask for the password. Password is cisco ENPA 55. Now give command here config. Now R3 is, it will ask whether it is we are configuring from terminal, memory or network. So give terminal and now R3 is in configuration mode. So here we will give command access hyphen list 110 permit IP 192.168.3 3.0 and mask 0.0.0.255 and destination IP 192.168.1.0 and mask 0.0.0.255. Press enter. Now we will configure the IKE phase on R3. So we will configure the crypto ISA KMP policy 10 properties on R3 along with the shared crypto key which we created on R1. That crypto key was VPN PA55. So here we will give command crypto ISA KMP policy 10, then encryption AES 256, authentication pre-share, then group 5, then exit. Now we will set that VPN PA key. So command is crypto ISA KMP key, and key is our VPN PA55 and address is 10.1.1.2. Press enter. Now next step is to configure IKE phase 2 IPsec policy on R3. So we will create a transform set VPN set to use ESP AES and ESP SHA HMAC. So the command is crypto IPsec transform -set VPN -set set ESP AES ESP SHA HMAC. Now we will give description. So description VPN connection to R1. Now set peer 10.1.1.2. See here we got error because after this I missed one command. See, after this command we have to give another command. So this command was executed successfully. After that this command we have to give because we have to bring into crypto map configuration mode. So for that is crypto map VPN -map 10 IPsec ISA KMP. See here now it is in configuration crypto map. So now the other commands which we gave for description and set peer will work. So here this description command. So description VPN connection to R1. This command we have to give after this crypto map command. And now we will give that set peer command. Set peer 10.1.1.2. The next command is set transform hyphen set VPN hyphen set. Now match address 110. Okay. Now we have to give exit command to come out of this configuration crypto map mode. So exit. Now it will be in the normal configuration mode. The next step is to configure the crypto map on the outgoing interface. So we have to bind the VPN map, crypto map to the outgoing serial interface. So command is interface S0 slash 0 slash 1. Okay. And press enter. And here crypto map VPN hyphen map. See, now we are done with the configuration. Now we will verify the IPsec VPN. For that we will close this R3 and once again click on R1, and here we have to press enter. After that we have to give enable command, then it will ask for the password. We have to enter password as a cisco ENPA55, and now here we will give command show crypto IPsec SA. So when we give this command, here you can see the number of packets encapsulated 0, encrypted 0, packets digested 0, decrypted 0, packets decapsulated 0. Okay. So all these packets are 0 because we have not created interesting traffic. Now the next step is to create interesting traffic. So for that we will ping from PC C to PC A. So this is our PC C. From here we will ping to PC A and click on that PC C. Click on desktop tab, click on command prompt, and here give command ping to PCA. The address is 192.168.1.3, and let's wait for pinging. So this way we set the interesting traffic between PC1 to PCC, and now we are generating that interesting traffic. So the interesting traffic between PCC and PCA will be encrypted. So we'll give this command once again. We are not getting any response. So here we got a response from PCA. So now once again we will check traffic on R1. So R1 we will give the same command again, that show crypto IPsec SA. Press enter. So here you can see the packets encrypted. Now it's not 0. The packets encapsulated, it's non-zero. The packets decapsulated, non-zero. Packets decrypted, non-zero. It means we have defined interesting traffic between these two networks, from this R1 to R3, and whatever is being transmitted from this network to this network is being encrypted, and it is passing through this IPsec VPN tunnel. Now we will try to generate non-interesting traffic and see whether it is encrypting that traffic or not. So we have not defined interesting traffic between this network and this network. So we will try to ping from PC B to PC A. So click on this command prompt and here we'll give command ping 192.168.1.3, and now you see we have received the reply. Now we'll close this again, open R1, and again we will repeat the same command here. See here, so we will repeat the same command here again, and again you will see that the number of packets which were transmitted and encrypted is the same as the previous one. So the now the 4 packets which we transmitted from this PC B to PC A, that is not encrypted because we have not defined, or we have not defined that traffic as a interesting traffic. So this is the traffic between this, from this network to this network, is defined as non-interesting network, not non-interesting traffic. So that non-interesting traffic is not encrypted. Only the traffic which we defined is in as interesting traffic, that is encrypted. So that is between this network and this network. So here we can see that we have defined that VPN tunnel between these two networks, and the traffic between these two networks is defined as interesting traffic, and all the traffic between these two networks is encrypted during transmission, and other uninteresting or non-interesting traffic between these network and any other network is not encrypted. Now we will just check this, our addressing table, and click on this check result, and we'll close this. And here in the assessment item you can see our activity is done 100%. We have defined all ACL, IKE, uh, crypto map set and everything on all 3 routers. So that's all about configuring and verifying site to site IPsec VPN traffic. Thank you so much.